Hello guys and welcome back on my channel again. In this video I will show you how you can make an responsive bottom navigation bar in Flutter. Okay, or you can say that how you can make a footer using Flutter. Okay, so I will code the complete design of bottom navigation bar, and I will also provide you the code. If you want to see the code regarding this video, you can check my website. The link will be in the description. I will also give the link of this blog post in the description of my video. So if you want to see the source code regarding this video, you can just go to the blog and check that source code. Okay, and you can also copy it if you want to. So let's start this video. Let me just open my Android page. So this is the previous registration page which I had made. Okay, so I will just continue it by making a new activity. So if you want to check the code for how to make a registration page or login page, you can also check my previous video. Okay, so I will create this page after uh, this registration page. So let me just create a new activity. I will name it as footer. Okay, so first of all, let me just show you the registration page. So this was the registration page I made on the last video. Okay, so whenever user will click on register, I want the user to come to the home page. Okay, so I will make a footer or bottom navigation bar on the home page. So first of all, just let me give the link on the on press button on the login page or registration page. Okay, so I will name the. Okay, so first of all, let me just make the class. Okay, so I will make a stateful widget for a bottom navigation bar. Okay, so let me just write the state. Okay, so I had just made the class. Okay, so let me just go on back and include the file over here. So okay, so let's back to the footer. Okay, so in the footer I have to mention the build method. Okay, and on the return side I will return scateboard widget. Okay, so first of all, let me just make an app bar. Okay, so I will give it the background color of I guess blue, because I use blue color in my registration page, and I will give it a text of home page. Okay, so I have to wrap it in title. Okay, and I will also use a nice icon. So for that, I would use leading icon, icon star. Okay, so for registration page, I will use menu. So let me just menu, and I will give it a color of white. So I think by default color is white. So let me just save it and run. How will it look like? So there is an error. Okay, so what is this saying? It is expecting a semicolon. So there is a semicolon. So now let's see. So whenever I will click the button, so now you can see that there is our home page. Okay. So now we have to make a bottom navigation bar. So for that we will use bottom navigation bar uh, class. So for bottom navigation bar, bottom navigation bar. So I will make the on tab function on in the last part of my video. So first of all, I will give it okay. So first of all, I will give it a color. So for that, we will use background color dot. So I will use the same color for I use for app bar. So let's see how does it look. Okay, so now error because we didn't define any list. Okay, so let me just first do that. So first of all, I will define the type. Okay, so what type of bottom navigation bar I'm using. So I will use a fixed bottom navigation bar. Okay, I think there is a spelling mistake. Okay, so after that, I will give the items. So I will write the items and then the square brackets. So I will give 4 items basically because 3 items are very common. So many people want 4 or 5 items in their bottom navigation bar. So giving 3 items in the bottom navigation bar is very easy. Okay, but when you are going to give 4 or more bottom items in the bottom navigation bar, then it's a bit of trick. Okay, okay, so I will give 4 bottom navigation items so that you can give 4 or more or any of items you want. Okay, so let me just give. I will make the first item, then I will copy and paste the whole code and I will edit it. So let me just do it. Okay, so bottom navigation bar item. So there is a spelling mistake. Okay, now it's fine. So bottom navigation bar items. Items bar. Okay, so first of all, I will give the home page. Okay, so as it is home page. Okay, and I will give the color black, I guess. No, I think I should give it a color of white. Okay, then I will give it a size of 20, I guess. And after that, I will give the a title, and in the title, I will write home, and then I will define the style. So I will give it a color dark white. Okay, so white will be fine, and then I will give it a font size of, I guess, 13. So let me just save it and run it. How will it look like? I think I should restart the app because it is giving me an error as there is no error in the site. So let me just restart the app. Okay, so the app has restarted. Okay, it is still giving me the error. So let me just see the error. So I think I have to define the all the bottom navigation bars. Uh, so that's the error, I guess. So now you can see that that's how our bottom navigation bar will look like. So let me just change the icons. Okay, so the second part will be, let's suppose it is profile. So I will make it a profile. So, but we will make the profile on the last. Okay, so let me just think. What should I make it? I think I should make it video. Okay, so over here I will write video, and over here I will say it as contact, and on the last I will make it as person. Okay, and I will name it as profile. Now you can see that our bottom navigation bar. So you can place as many items in it as you want. Okay, so and it will uh, align itself automatically. So let me just do a bit styling on the bottom navigation bar. Okay, so first of all, I think I should give it the standard size. I think standard size is more better. Okay, yeah, I should keep the standard size. Okay, so after that, I will give it a property which is called active icon. So active icon will do I will just copy and paste it over here, and I will give it a color of black. Okay, so the active icon will have a color of black, and it has a size of 40. I think that is enough. So let me just repeat this thing. That is copy and paste this, and let me just change the icons. So it was on demand video, and it was on text. It was in text. So I didn't specify any on tab function. That's why it is not giving me selecting any other icon. So let me just specify the on tab button. Okay, so for that I will define the on tab function. Okay, so on the bottom navigation bar I will specify on tab. So what I'm going to do on tab function is that I will change the state. Okay, so I will just find a function set state, and I will change the state of a variable. So let me just go back and define a variable on the top. Okay, so int, I will name the variable as index, and I will initialize it in 0. Okay, so, and I will give the current index property the value of my variable index. Okay, so whenever user will click the icon, I will change the state. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will give the index equal to new index. Okay, so I will define this variable on somewhere else. So let me just go to the bottom, and I will define the body over here. So I will use new index stack class. I will give the value index, okay, to index variable which I had defined. Then I will give the children, okay, and I will give all the pages on which I want the user to go, or the user want to go. Okay, so and for I will pass the new index over here. Okay, so as I had already passed it on the top. Okay, so now let's save and see what happens. Now you can see that our cursor is changing, and you can also see the style is responsive. Okay, so the text and both the icons are changing their color and also the size. Okay, so I think the combination is looking nice. Okay, so now I will just give that anything in the section. So if you want to move the uh, move your page to another page, just give the link of that page over here. Just like suppose I want this page again. Okay, whenever user will click on profile. Okay, so I will just copy this and paste it over here, and I will include the file. Okay, and on the top I will just give text. So let me just save it and show you what happened. So now you can see that it is also showing the text on the top. Okay, and whenever you will click on the profile, it is showing me the registration page. Okay, and whenever you will click back, it will take you to the home page. Okay, so you can move to home pages, okay, if you want to. So this is all for this video. Okay, so if you want me to make a video on any specific topic or any other thing, so just comment below. I will make a video on that. Thank you.